Hey guys, today I'm sharing with you a bikini haul, and all of these bikinis are very affordable and still kind of cute. They are from Rosegal and from Dresslily. These are kind of Zaful websites. You can kind of compare them to Zaful. Yeah, so I'm going to show the bikinis which I got and kind of give my opinion about them. It are not a lot of bikinis because I already own quite a ton, but yeah, so these are just a couple of bikinis which I recently got from Rosegal and Dresslily, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. So the first one which I got is one of my favorites. I think it's really cute, so I'll show you the top first. So this is what the top looks like, and it's got a really cute black and white stripe pattern on it, and then this, so you wear it like this, and this goes over your shoulders, and you got these like ruffles on here on the sides, which I think is really nice. This one also is very good quality. It fits me really well, so this is definitely a very good bikini. And then these are the bottoms, which I really like, just very simple. Again, got the same stripe pattern, and these kind of a little bit high-waisted, not too much, not too cheeky, which I think is good. And yeah, they also fit me really well, so that's great. Then the second bathing suit is a one-piece. So this is what it looks like. So again, stripes, but these are like red and white stripes, as you can see. I kind of like it. The quality is nice. It also got these pads, so I think that's great. And then the back has got kind of a low scoop, but I'm just not really sure whether I really like it on me. I don't know. I think it doesn't really look very flattering, also because the side is quite high, so you really like very covered. So I'm not really sure about this one. Still, the quality is good, and yeah, I think I preferred if the stripe were maybe a bit smaller. Yeah, I'm just not really sure about it. Let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think of the bathing suits. So then I got a bandeau bikini. This is what it looks like. It's kind of different. It's got kind of a yeah, kind of fun, weird pattern on it with these eyes and a very bright pink color. But I thought it'd be fun to just get something a little bit different. And so yeah, it's got these eyes on it, and it's bandeau. The quality is nice. I usually don't wear any kind of bandeau bikinis because they usually just don't fit me that well, but this one actually is very good, so I think I'm going to get this one maybe in a different color, just a plain color. I think this one is just kind of bold, but I don't know, I think it's still really fun, those eyes. I thought just something a bit different for once. And then the bottoms, just very good quality, again with the same pattern, and yeah, I just like it when the bottoms are not too cheeky, and so this is a really good model for bottoms. The next bikini is a very simple like triangle shaped bikini. This is what it looks like. I've already got this one in black and also in pink, and these bikinis are very comfortable and they just fit really well. I definitely recommend this one. It's just very simple, but still it looks good, and it's also very comfortable. It just suits well, so that's great. So I got it in this orangey tone, which I think is nice. And then these are the bottoms, which are a bit weird. I don't really like the bottoms. I tried them on, and I don't know, I think it's just the front is kind of low, so that's weird. But then they're also kind of high-waisted at the same time, so I'm not really happy with the bottoms, but I do really like the top, and I definitely recommend this kind of bikini because they just fit really well. The next bikini which I got is kind of a trendy bikini, so it's these kind of like rib bikinis. I don't know what I should call them, but this is what it looks like. So it's a white bikini, so it has got this red material, and then it ties up here in the front. I'm just not really sure about it. I think it kind of looks, I don't know, like a grandmother's top or anything. That sounds so weird, but I don't know. I'm just not really happy with it. I don't think it looks very flattering, and also the like the tie over here, that just looks kind of weird. Maybe in another color would be better than white, and it's also slightly too big for me. So yeah, I think, which size did I get this one? This was in this size, was it medium or small? I got this in this size small, but still it's a little bit too big. Usually I recommend to size up with these bikinis because they're usually a bit smaller, but for this one you should not size up, but maybe in a different color would be nice. I don't think it just looks really flattering on me, and the bottoms are also way too cheeky, I think, that's my opinion. But yeah, this is definitely a no for me. Then the next bathing suit is very similar to that striped one piece. So it's kind of got the same like striped red and white pattern. The top is really nice. I really like this one. It's just very simple, very good quality top, and just suits really well. It fits nice. You can do anything in this. So that's a great top. And then these are the bottoms. These are kind of high-waisted, so it's quite nice. Actually, I haven't tried them on yet. It's got to do that. So these are the bottoms with the same print. I hope they fit well. They look a bit on the big side, but the top is good. And then the next bikini which I got is very similar to this one, but then I got it in blue. So that's the same bikini. It's a little bit different. The model is a bit different. I know this one is kind of a bit slimmer, I think, but still it fits good. It's really nice. I think I prefer the blue one over the red one. I don't know. I think it's just a bit nicer, the blue color. Let me know which one you prefer. So that's the top, and the bottoms are a bit better for this one, I think. These are just regular bottoms and not those high-waisted ones, and they also fit really well, and the model is really nice, I think. Got two bikinis left. So one is this one. So this is a blue, dark blue bikini, and navy blue, not what they call, but it's got this like checkered print, which I think is really cool. I'm just not really sure about the model of this bikini. I absolutely love the print on this one, and I kind of like the model. It's quite cute, but it's just not super flattering. When you're wearing this bikini, you kind of see like your skin is going over the bikini a bit on like the sides over here, if you get what I mean. So that's not super flattering. I do like the idea, but I think it just doesn't really, it doesn't fit that well, at least for me. And then these are the bottoms, which are super cheeky and kind of high-waisted, and got these strings on the side. So that are the bottoms. And then the last bikini, which is quite similar to the first one, which I showed you guys, has got a different color. So this is what it looks like. So this one has a yellow color, and then again with those stripes, kind of brown reddish stripes, and then with those ruffles on the side, which I think is absolutely very cute. I love this one. I'm just not sure whether the color fits my skin's color. But yeah, I do really like the model of this bikini, and the quality is very good, so I definitely recommend this one. And then these are the bottoms. These are a bit more cheeky, like on the sides, as you can see, so I'm not sure about these bottoms. But yeah, that is the last bikini. So I hope that you like this bikini haul. If you're interested in any of the bikinis, I will link them down below in the description box below so you can check them out. Yeah, leave a comment down below so I can have a nice conversation with you guys. And thank you so much for watching. I see you in my next video. Bye!